Hello, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I'm going to share cereal chivda recipe that is very easy, quick and yummy, and it is very healthy as well. So let's start the recipe. So here into the big bowl I'm taking 3 bowls of cornflakes, and there are like big pieces, so I'm crushing it with the help of this wooden thing. You can use the bowl, just crush it a little bit so you get like a good small size pieces. Now into this I will add 3 bowls of rice crisp and 1 bowl of Cheerios. This is not the sweet one, this is plain. And here I am taking that kicks, that is the corn balls and the rice checks mix. So now just give it a good mix. So prepare this mix before you start doing bagar and everything, so that will be easy. So you can take your own choice of cereals here. You don't have to grab the all. If you have only 2, then you can make it with the 2 cereals. So now into the kadai I have taken around 3 tablespoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of rye, that is mustard seeds. Once mustard seeds start spluttering, I will add around 2 tablespoon of raw peanuts, and here I have taken chopped almonds. You can add as per your preference if you like less or more. Now we will roast these 2 things until you see it change its color. Once it's roasted, I will add cashew and some kismis, that is raisin. Now roast this as well. The cashew and raisin will take less time, so add them later. First roast the peanuts and almonds. Now into that I have taken around 10 to 12 curry leaves and some green chili. Green chili is optional. Now roast it. Now I will add turmeric powder. It's around 1 teaspoon. And hing, that is 1/4 teaspoon of hing, that is a safatida. Now just give it a good mix. And now we will add that cereal mix that we have prepared. Now mixed everything well, and we will roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. The cereals are already like crispy, so we don't need to roast it for a long period of time. It just takes 2 to 3 minutes. Once you see everything is well mixed, I will add salt. Here I have added a 1/2 teaspoon. Just make sure this all cereals have little bit salt in flavor, so just add a little less salt than you require, but otherwise it will be more salty. Now we will keep roasting for another 2 to 3 minutes, and now you can see it's become crispier. And we will turn off the stove. Make sure you turn off the stove before you add the red chili powder. So here I'm adding around 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. You can add according to your preference. And I will add sugar. This is optional, but this gives a good taste. I will add around 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Now mixed everything well. And you can see it has taken me just less than 10 minutes, and this is so tasty and yummy. So, and very different than the regular poha and chivda. So do try my recipe and let me know in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.